works inside your body with just a click of a remote. That's right, a button. It's a small device placed during a same-day outpatient procedure. Simply click the button on the Inspire remote before you fall asleep. And as you sleep, Inspire keeps you breathing normally and sleeping peacefully. If you struggle with CPAP, great sleep awaits at InspireSleep.com. That's InspireSleep.com. Inspire, sleep apnea innovation. No mask, no hose, just sleep. Inspire is not for everyone. Talk to your doctor to see if it's right for you. And review important safety information at InspireSleep.com.
For the only AM that matters in the morning, watch Allison and Mario on NBC 10 Sunrise.
Wake up to the breaking news you need to know.
The Fall River right now.
Some sort of crash. Some people in the community.
Weather and traffic to help get your day going. Hot weather is a feature that is packed up.
Local stories that make you feel good.
Show you something good.
Monster trap.
Investigations to keep you safe. I went through the data this morning. You may be surprised.
Watch Allison and Mario weekdays in the AM. Turn to 10. NBC 10. With NBC 10, you get the latest breaking news.
With an extra money would be spent.
Local stories from where you live.
Peacock and Crimson in Attleboro.
Special reports that affect you.
It took Channel 10 to do this. Without you guys, it would never happen.
And a weather team dedicated to keeping you informed and safe.
There's a big weather system that will be impacting us.
NBC 10 is here to be the best for you. Weeknights from 5 to 6:30 at 7 and 11. Turn to NBC 10.
The crisp, salty breeze, soft, sun-warmed sand, silvery pearls of laughter. The sweetness of the Cape is closer than you think. Feel like a kid again with a sweet delivery from the Penny Patch. Take your taste buds on a trip to the Cape with your favorite nostalgic candies, homemade copper kettle fudge, and tangy saltwater taffy. The Penny Patch is bringing the heart of the Cape to your doorstep. Order online at pennypatch.com or drop by the shop at 281 Commercial Street in Provincetown. The Penny Patch, a sweet escape to the Cape.
When you need auto parts, O'ReillyAuto.com is just a few clicks away. We offer convenient options for you to get your parts quickly. Order online and pick up for free at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store. We'll even bring it out curbside. Or you can have your parts delivered right to your door with free shipping on most orders over $35. Visit O'ReillyAuto.com.
Donate today at makingstrideswalk.org.